Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is your resource person Naila Chaudhary from Army Public School and College System West History Rawalpindi. This is our online support program round 2 week 4 for grade 5 mathematics. Before starting your assignments or uploading them on AIS Students Portal, all the students must go through these important instructions. Today our topic is finding unknown angles, textbook page number 253 to 256. And our learning objectives are identify different types of angles, find unknown angles using the property of vertically opposite angles, angles at a point, and angles on a straight line. Means, first of all, you have to identify the different types of angles given in the figure, and then you have to find those unknown angles using the three properties that you have learned earlier. Now here is some warm-up activity. What is the sum of all the angles at a point? From the word at a point, you must get it quickly that at a point means all around a point. So the sum of angles at a point is equals to 360 degree. Two straight angles add up to, a straight angle is equals to 180 degree. So two straight angles means 180 degree plus 180 degree is equals to 360 degree. What is the property of vertically opposite angles? Oh, it's the easiest one. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. But here, must keep it in your mind that you have to use the word equal, not the same. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Finding unknown angles, there are three different ways you have learned to find the unknown angles. The first one was angles on a straight line. Means if you are given with the angles on a straight line and you have to find an unknown angle, then you have to subtract all the given or known angles from 180 degree. Secondly, if you are given angles at a point, means all around a point, then if you want to find an unknown angle, you have to subtract all the given or known angles from 360 degree. Vertically opposite angles, they are always equal. So if you are given with one angle and you have another vertically opposite angle of that, you can directly call it the same of the same degrees that is given without solving that question. Now go through examples on textbook page number 253 to 255 to under these properties carefully. Now we are going to use all the three properties in the one example. Here we have a blue line with the points A and B on it, and another straight line, yellow line, points C and D on it. Oops, what's this? This is vertex, a point where angles are formed. Another straight line with the point E on it, but the straight line is not whole, so this will not be called a straight line. This is just a line. Angle 145 degree is given to you. This is a known angle. You have to find an unknown angle X, angle Y, and angle Z. Oh, what's this? Small square. So, you were already told in the previous examples that whenever a small square is given to you without any measurement, that small square shows a right angle. So here, this is a right angle and its measurement is 90 degrees. So this is also a known angle. By using the known angles, you can find the unknown angles. But which property to be used first? You have to decide it. You are given with 145 degree angle and you have to find angle X, Y and Z. Now first think which property to be used. We can find the unknown angles using the given measurement of angles. We are given with 145 degree. So what we can use? Yes, if you see the blue line, straight line AB, we have two angles on that straight line, angle X and 145 degree. So by adding these two angles, we can get the measurement equals to 180 degree, because we already know that all the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. So I have given the reason in front of my step that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees, so I can use this step. So similarly, students can also use the reasons in front of every step to show their working more clearly. Here I have moved 145 degree to another side, and it will be subtracted from 180 degree, and you will get angle x is equals to 35 degree. We have found angle x using property of angles on a straight line. We can use any property to find the unknown angles unless it is not mentioned. Means, what does this blue line means? That if you're not restricted to use any one property, then you can use any one of the three properties that you have learned earlier. So I was finding the angles on a straight line, this property easier here to find the angle x, so I have used this property. I was not restricted in the question, so I used my own way. So if you are not mentioned, if you are not restricted, then you can use any of the three properties that you have learned. This is how we are going to solve these three unknown angles and find the measurements. Now, do you remember the property of vertically opposite angles? Do you see any vertically opposite angles in the figure? After finding angle x, I can see that angle z is vertically opposite angle to angle x. So, angle x and angle z are vertically opposite angles are over here. So, what should we do? If angle x is equals to 35 degree, then we can directly say that angle z is also equals to 35 degree. And we will write the reason in front of it, that why I am saying angle z is equals to 35 degree, because angle x and angle z are vertically opposite angles. I have also written it above. So writing it again in front of that step, the reason is vertically opposite angles are always equal. So I can say angle z is equals to 35 degree as well. Now we are left to find angle y only. Any guess which property we can use to find angle y easily? We are known with this right angle, it is 90 degree. We know angle x as well, 145 degrees already given. We have found angle z as well. Only angle y is left, and these are all angles around a point. So we can use the property of angles at a point as well by subtracting all the given angles or the non-angles from 360 degree. But here I am going to use the property of angles at a point, because angle y is also on a straight line. Angle y plus 90 degree plus angle x is equals to 180 degree. So I can write it in this way. Reason, because angle x 90 degree and angle y are on a straight line, so their sum would be equals to 180 degree. Now putting the value of x in place of it, 35 degree, moving 35 and 90 degree to the other side and subtracting them from 180 degree, you will get angle y. You can subtract this thing in your rough work. Now we have found all the unknown angles, angle x, y and z one by one, following the simple steps and three properties learned earlier. So you can use any of the property, it's on your choice. Now written work for this week is to practice questions, textbook page number 256, question number 1, 2 and 3 in your notebooks. And if you have not purchased it yet, you can use loose sheets as well. And workbook page number 111, 112 and 113 to be done on workbooks. All the work should be uploaded on AIS before 14th August 2020, Friday before 2 p.m. Thank you.